wait to buy my new dog. I know. And what will you name the dog? I don't know, but I'll see when I get her or him. Okay, so unless good news, I already decided of getting a dog. Really? Yes, really. So I'm just gonna call her. Hello? Oh, hi. Here's the dog store. Would you like to buy any pets? Oh, yes, I'd like to buy dogs, please. Dogs? How many dogs? I don't know. I think, one. What? Okay. You're getting you're getting dogs, right? Yep. Okay, goodbye. She said, okay, there's enough dogs at the store. I'm just gonna go, to the store and pay her back. Okay, Mom. I'll be right back. Huh. Can I go with Mom? Sorry, you should have said that earlier because she left already. Mom! Sorry, she took the car already. Are you excited? I'm still thinking of a name. If it's a boy, what will you like? Shoo-shoo. Shoo-shoo is good. Great. And if it's a girl, what do you think I should name her? Lulu? Yep. Whoa. We're not buying 2 dogs here. We're gonna only buy 1. I know, we're saying if it's a girl, then we're gonna name it blah, blah, blah. If it's a boy, then we'll name it blah, blah, blah. Oh, I thought you said for the girl dog, I'll name her blah, blah, blah. And the boy dog, I'll name him blah, blah, blah. Dad, I think Mom forgot her wallet. Oh, no. Oh, it's Barbie. Hello, Barbie. I forgot my wallet. I know. We found it at our home. Oh, thank goodness it's not that far. Bye. Mom, why did she keep leaving so fast? Well, I don't know. I'm bored. Let's just wait till Mom pays her. 15 minutes later. Here, I got the cash. Now we're just gonna see her till she gets the dogs. Oh, where the tea came from? Hi! Just wait. I think the other dogs are fighting. Wait till I get the other dogs. Other dogs? What does she mean by other dogs? I don't know. Did you say that you want other dogs? No, I only said 1. Come on, boy. What? 2 dogs? Cool. Oh, no. I never said that I wanted 2 dogs. Sorry. Just a little dismissed. Boys, stay. 3 dogs? Whoa, I never said that. You said you wanted dogs. I should have corrected my grammar. And it's all because your grammar, Barbie. Is there a way to return them? Nope, you have to keep them forever. Aw, shucks. Guys. That big one knocked down the table. Good dog. No, boy, stay here. Don't go upstairs. dogs isn't good enough. Whoa! Oh no! What are we gonna do? We really gotta return those 3 guys. Da, 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 da. Oh, at least the dogs aren't tired as well. Let's think with another plan. This was the nightmariest day ever. Oh, I don't think I can sit down after all this mess. Oh no. Let's clean up. Ugh. Ugh. Ay. Da 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 dun 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 I think I'm never gonna live like this. Me too. There. Come on. Which one should I take for a walk? Take that big one. Come on. Now, what do you think we should give those two? Some tea? Here. No, put it back, boy. They're all boys. I was hoping if there could be at least one girl. One girl at least. But they're all boys. Come on. Ugh, Skipper, thanks a lot to you. What? It was Barbie's fault. Just stop it, Skipper. You're gonna make it even worse. You're gonna make it even worse by blaming it. It was me. True. Now what should we do with those two? She's saying that she wants to do it one more. No! Stay! Oh no! Shh, shh. It's okay, boy. Now, Daddy, you get a warning. Why me? We got to really return those dogs. I'll call her and see. Hello? I know. I'm sorry to do this, but we have to return them. I can't hear you well. Hello? Hi, can you hear me better now? Yup. I'm sorry, but what was that? The dogs did a total mess. You need to come take them. On my way! Now, what is it you want again? To return those dogs. Come on, dogs. It looks like dogs you need to train. Come on, dog. Come on. No bones. How is it, Barbie? Oh, good. Mom? Yes, please don't tell me you want a chocolate ice cream. Can I have chocolate ice cream?